Hello students, next we are having in an information retrieval system Porter stemming algorithm. Okay, so Porter stemming algorithm is based upon set of conditions of the stem, suffix and prefix and associated actions given the conditions. That is nothing but here we are stemming means we are giving some suffixes, prefixes, we are removing them and we are making a stem word and we are going to search that one. Okay, so for this we are using this one algorithm called Porter stem algorithm. Okay, for this in some examples of these stem conditions are first one, the measure m of stem is function of sequences of vowels. Vowels are a, e, I, o, u followed by a consonant. Okay, in this if v is a sequence of vowels and c is a sequence of consonant, then m is given as c of vc power m v. Okay, here we are taking the measures, vowels as v, consonants as c. Then what is the formula? C of vc power m of v, where m is number of vc's repeated. Okay, so here where initial c and final v are optional and m is the number of vc's repeats. Okay, so that can be measured by m is equal to 0, then example free comma y. If m is equal to 1, freeze comma whose. If suppose m is equal to prologue comma computer displayed, example suppose. So in this first case m is equal to 0 covers the null words. It is covering the null words. Suppose if I am giving x star x, then a stem ends with the letter x are displayed. Suppose I am giving star v star, then stem contains a vowel. If I am giving star d, then stem ends in a double consonant like minus tt or minus ss. ఇప్పుడు suppose I am giving star o, stem ends with the consonant vowel consonant sequence where the final consonant is not w, x or y. Okay, example my wil, hop, like that words are going to be displayed. Okay, suffix conditions take the form current suffix equal to pattern. Actions are in the form old suffix is greater than new suffix. Okay, rules are divided into steps to define the order of applying the rules. The following are examples for the rules. Okay, in this Porter we are having some rules. In that see first condition is step 1 1a, that condition is null, suffixes are ss s and replacement will be ss. And example what is that? Stresses will be represented as stress. Okay, suppose 1b I am giving star v star, that suffix is ing and replacement will be nothing. Making, if I give making, then it is going to display make, ing will be removed. Okay, 1b1, okay, condition null, suffix at, replacement 8, that is 80 will be removed and 80e will be inserted. So inflated, example inflated means inflate. Okay, so in this 1c I am giving condition star v star, then suffix will be y, replacement will be I, that is happy, happy, that is replaced by happy. Okay, next one I am giving m is greater than 0, suffix will be aliti and replacement will be al. Example formality will be given, replacement of formal. Okay, when next third condition I am giving m is greater than 0, I am taking a word lcate replaced by lc, that is nothing but duplicate I am giving, it is replaced by dupli. Okay, so now m is greater than 1, it is suffix is able, and replacement will be nothing. Example, adjustable means adjust, that's all. Okay, if I am giving fifth condition, m is greater than 1, suffix will be e and replacement will be null. Inflate, I am giving in flat, it is displaying example. Okay, next in 5b, if m is greater than 1 and star d, null, single letter. Example, control will be given as control only. Okay, that is the words. Suppose given word is duplicatable, the following are the steps in the stemming process. Duplicate, it is applying rule 4, that is nothing but DUPCLICAT. Suppose if I want to duplicate spelling as DUPLICAT, then rule 1B1 will be applied. If I want to duplicate DUPLIC, then rule 3 will be applied. Okay, so these 1B1 rules are expansion rules to make correction to stem for proper conflation. Okay, for example, stemming of skies drops the es, making it ski. That is, I am taking a spelling called skies. In that, it is dropping the es. What the word I will get, ski. So which is the wrong concept, and I should be changed by y? Yes or no? Sky spelling is ski, not sky, not ski. That's why it is wrong application, wrong concept. So the another application rule is step 4, it is removing IC cannot be applied, since only one rule from each step is allowed to be applied. Okay, next we are having dictionary lookup stemmer. In this dictionary lookup stemmer, it is a simple stemming rule, still may be applied. Okay, here we are using a dictionary lookup mechanism, lookup table mechanism. Okay, so here even the consistent rules expectations that need to be addressed. The original term or stemmed version of the term is looked up in dictionary and replaced by the stem that best represents it. Okay, the original term is look up from the dictionary and it is going to best represent in it. That is what the dictionary lookup stemmer. Okay, this technique has been implemented in inquiry and retrieval ware systems. Okay, mainly we are using this technique in inquiry and retrieval ware systems. Okay, when we are using this one, we the inquiry system uses a stemming technique called K-stem. K-stem is a morphological analyzer that conflates word variants to a root form. Okay, it tries to avoid the collapsing words with different meaning into the same root. Okay, for example, memorial and memorize will be reduced to memory. That is nothing but whatever the words you are taking, it is reducing to a single word. Okay, so that is what the K system algorithm. So for this, memorize are not synonyms and have very different meanings. So K stem is other stemmer associated with the natural language processor, and dictionaries will return the words instead of truncating the word forms. Okay, so a K stem, a word to be in the dictionary before it reduces one word form to another. Okay, it is going to reduce into the one word. Some endings are always removed even if the root form is not found in the dictionary. Example, suppose I am taking that NESS comma LY. Okay, so in that ends can be removed. Okay, if the word being processed in the dictionary, it is assumed to be unrelated to the root after stemming and conflatation is not performed. Suppose a factorial needs to be in the dictionary or it is stemmed to factory. For irregular morphologies, it is necessary to split the map. Okay, and it would variant to root decide. Suppose I am taking matrices to matrix, that gives the same meaning, but factorial to factory, there are different meanings. Okay, such that in this case system it uses the six major steps. Okay, six major data files to control and limit the stemming process. First one, it is taking dictionary of words, that is called lexicon, and a supplemental list of the word for dictionary. And next, expectational list of the words that should retain e at the end. G, it suits to suit, but suited to suit. The next, fourth one, it should directly confrontation uh, the pair of override stemming algorithms. Fifth one, county nationality conflation, that is British maps to Britain. Sixth one, proper nouns that should not be stemmed. Okay, so new words that are not special forms like dates, phone numbers are located in the dictionary to determine simpler forms by stripping off suffixes and respelling the plurals as defined in the dictionary. Okay, why? Because they don't have certain format. So the strength of the retrieval system lies in its thesaurus of semantic network supports the data that contain 400,000 words. Dictionary that can contain morphological variants of words. New words that are not special forms like dates are not going to be used. Thank you.